everybody, it's Hailey, and today is day 17 of the pumpkin challenge. We are going to make a super easy 4-ingredient pumpkin mousse. So let's get started. So first I'm going to start off with half a can of sweetened condensed milk. So this is 7 ounces. And I'm going to put that into my saucepan here. And we're going to heat it up. And you're going to heat this for about 10 minutes until it's like a darker golden color. You want this to simmer for about 10 minutes and you have to stir it constantly so it doesn't burn. Okay, this is what it's gonna look like after it's done. Very thick. Okay, while that's heating up, you're gonna prepare your pumpkin. So I've got half a can of pumpkin here. It's about 1 cup. And I'm gonna use paper towels to take some of the extra moisture out. Because if you look at it, there's like usually a lot of liquid in it. And we don't want all that extra liquid. We just want a more concentrated pumpkin flavor. Look at this. It's crazy. Okay, my sweetened condensed milk is done. I'm trying to think of what this smells like. It smells like something I've made before, but I can't think of what. And I'm gonna add the pumpkin puree. And I'm gonna add a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and mix that together. And I'm gonna whisk that together. And then I'm gonna transfer that mixture to a different bowl and we're gonna chill this in the fridge for a little bit. Okay, so then while that's chilling, I have 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream and we're gonna pour it into a bowl and whip it up. We're basically just making whipped cream and you want to whip this until you get stiff peaks. Alright, you want to whip this until you get stiff peaks. I might have over whipped mine just a little. It should still be fine. And if you over whip it a lot, you might just have to start over, unfortunately, because after a certain point of mixing heavy whipping cream, you're gonna get butter and buttermilk. Luckily, mine's just a tad over whipped. Now, if you want, you can save about half a cup of this for some whipped cream topping. Because I feel like traditionally with mousse, you have, the mousse, the pudding part, and then you've got a whipped cream on top. So I'm adding half of this chilled pumpkin mixture to the whipped cream. And I'm going to fold it in, that way you don't ruin the whipped cream. Once that's mixed in, I'm gonna add in the rest. Once that's all mixed together, I'm gonna serve it up. Alright, I ended up using some of my homemade whipped cream to top this one, just because the other one was a little over whipped pipe. But I'm gonna try it. Oh, look at that. So creamy and pumpkiny. This is delicious. Okay, this is so good, especially with whipped cream on top. I actually really like mousse. Feels like a very fancy dessert. All right, tomorrow I will be making pumpkin French toast. I love French toast. My family loves French toast. Never made it with pumpkin though. I'm trying so many new things. Oh my goodness. Well, anyway, thank you so much for kind of not baking with me today. I don't know if you consider this baking. It's baking, but not baking in the oven. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're new, subscribe down below so you don't miss any new videos. And I will see you next time. Bye.